Hello, hello, hello. Welcome Saturday morning. We're going to be going, this Facebook Live will be starting in about 3 minutes. I want to give people a chance to hop on. I've got some lot of new information to share. Very, very exciting information to share. So I hope everybody's enjoying their Saturday. It is almost 10:30 a.m. Saturday morning. Just came off of a, a groundbreaking training with a couple of millionaires in the crypto space, sharing their strategies for the future as far as not really investing within crypto, but their strategy for purchasing and being as profitable as they possibly can in the cryptocurrency market. So we're going to talk about that, and we're also going to talk about what just happened with Bitcoin. Hey, what's going on, Adrian? Happy Saturday to you as well. I see Shauna is on here as well. I see Santua. Welcome, welcome. We're going to get started in about 2 more minutes. This focus, as always, for my Facebook Lives has been about cryptocurrency. I mean, information is moving so fast. I just got an article that popped up right now that says the blockchain will revolutionize agriculture and the food supply chain. So what? The blockchain, that's one thing people don't understand. They hear about Bitcoin, they don't know what cryptocurrency is, and they definitely don't know what the blockchain is, which is what all of this is being built on. So it's not just about cryptocurrency, it's about business, it's about transactions, it's about contracts. I talked about an article yesterday that farmers were using the blockchain to track all of their meat orders and their meat delivery, like FedEx or something. So this one, blockchain will revolutionize agriculture and the food supply chain. I will actually do a video on that. And yesterday, last night, as you guys were asleep, Bitcoin soared past $3,200, new all-time high. And then Bitcoin Cash drops to fourth. Now, I'm not, and we're going to go ahead and get started right now. We're at the 10:30 mark. I don't really have an opinion too much on the Bitcoin Cash. When the fork happened, a new currency came up, new coin, Bitcoin Cash, and it kind of soared. It went all the way up past $400 per coin. I think over a little over 500. And people were, made a lot of money when it started off at $200 and then went to 500, 300 point, gain. People made a whole lot of money, especially if you sold when it was at its height. But I'm not too sure on the long-term future of Bitcoin Cash. I think long-term, I think it's still going to continue to go up. I just don't know how long it's going to take for that to happen. Everybody is stuck on regular Bitcoin. As you see, the sucker shot up to 3,200, all-time high last night. Right now it is hovering at, it's almost at 3,300. This is the highest it has ever been. Right now, $3,298. That's the highest it has ever been since it got started in 2009. We are looking at history in the making, and this is nothing yet. They're expecting it might get 5,000 by the end of the year. So that goes into the topic of this Facebook Live. What people know about is they know about buying cryptocurrency. They know about buying. In fact, I see a lot of Forex people starting to get into the crypto game because they understand if you're trading in Forex and you're trading with $5,000 and you lose half of that, and then the market starts to go up again, you lose it. You lost the money. It's gone. It's gone. You don't get to trade with 5,000 anymore. But in the crypto, if you're trading with 5,000 coins and the value drops, you still have 5,000 coins. You never lose the coins. The value drops, but the value is going to go back up. That's a little tidbit on the trading side. I'll leave the trading side. You guys are going to get all that training and information from my partner, Jairus Coleman. I'll leave that trading stuff to him. What I'm good at is the education and the mining. So first, let's kick off the education portion. If all of this is foreign to you, You have no idea what I'm talking about or why. The only reason why you're listening is because you keep hearing about this stuff and you're curious. You got to get educated. We got a program that's only $39 to get a month to get educated. You don't have to go back to school. You don't have to go to college. You don't have to search all over YouTube trying to find, the right source. TeachMeCrypto.net. You can take a free tour. TeachMeCrypto.net. That will get you educated on what cryptocurrency is all about, what Bitcoin is all about, what trading is all about, how to trade, what mining is all about, how to make money from mining, what the blockchain is, all the different cryptocurrency altcoins, the blue chip coins, the value of the coins, how they go up and down. You're going to learn all of that stuff. And that should be required knowledge if you want to have any type of financial success in the future. You need to know that stuff. TeachMeCrypto.net. This topic, we're going to talk about the difference between buying cryptocurrency and holding versus mining cryptocurrency and holding. I just got into the mining side of things 2 months ago. Almost a full 2 months ago. And what's today's date? The 5th? Maybe another week it'll be a full 2 months. And I didn't fully have a complete understanding of it. As I started to learn, TeachMeCrypto.net, as I started to learn, I understood the importance of mining. That without mining, this whole thing doesn't work. The blockchain doesn't get built. The blockchain and cryptocurrency is just one giant computer that's being built by all the computers around the world that's mining. And the reward is you're getting rewarded in coins. Bitcoin, how does new Bitcoin get produced? Well, it's not that it's being produced, it's what is being released. And it's being released in increments. I think the last Bitcoin will be released 2140. I think when I saw that last, and there's a finite number of it, only 21 million Bitcoins. Well, it's too difficult today for the average person to attempt to mine Bitcoin. I do have a program that the cost is $5,000 and its mining's about, let me look at that chart again. Yeah, $5,000 is mining about 0.004 Bitcoin a day. I think that came out to $15 to $20 a day. It's mining. So it comes out to about $470 a month. That's pulling out. Not too bad. So I do have that type of program. But it costs $5,000 to be able to do that. But Bitcoin is a little bit too difficult to mine, which means another mining company that I'm with started mining Ethereum last year. Ethereum is the second biggest cryptocurrency in market share. And Ethereum last year, when it first started mining, was only worth maybe $7 to $10 per coin. The mining machines were doing 15 to 20 coins a month. Now, if it's only worth $10 per coin, that's not a lot of money, right? But this is why you hold. Because 5 months later, it shot up to $60 per coin, $100 per coin. As of right now, Ethereum is sitting at $253 per coin. So let's say you went 6 months and you were mining and you were doing 15 coins a month times 6. That's 90 coins. Now at today's price, at 253 times 253, that's $22,770 in 6 months. $22,770. The cost of the machine at that time was $3,200. So you bought a machine for $3,200. You held on to your coins. The value went up. And you now had $22,770 worth of coins. Do you think that's a good profit? Let's say you took that same $3,200 and just bought coins. So, okay, 3,200, divided by it was at $10 per coin, 320 coins or so. So let's say that 320 coins, you multiply that times today's price, and it just went up to $254. You're looking at $81,000. Not bad. But let's stop right there. Your mining machine is continuing to mine coins every single month. See, when you buy the coin, you have it at that value, and you have that set amount of coin, and that's all you got. When you're mining for coins, you're now going to have that coin, more coins every single month added to the pot. So, let me give you another example on why this is big news. Right now, we are about to mine Ethereum Classic. We are about to mine Ethereum Classic. Why? Because the value of it is about $15 per coin right now. Our machines, it starts on the 12th or the 15th. I've heard two different dates. I'm not too sure yet. I'm looking at the 12th. We're projected to do 13 to 15 coins a month. I want to use my business partner, Peter Blackwell, as an example. He's looking at having 4 machines mining this. So if you've got 15 coins a month times 4, that's 60 coins a month. All right? Shauna's saying, oh yeah, because she's going to have that as well. 60 coins a month. This is August. So August, September, October, November, December. Let's multiply that times 5 by the end of the year. That's 300 coins by the end of the year. Now, at today's value, times 15, that's $4,500 worth of coins. At today's value. Let's say it shoots up to where Ethereum is right now at 200. Oh, it just went to 257. 300 coins. Let's do 250 times 250. That's $75,000 by the end of the year. And it's still mining coins every single month. Do I have your attention? This is wealth generation. When people were mining Ethereum last year, they're millionaires today, 12 months later. You want to stack up these coins as much as possible. Now, what is the cost of one machine right now? It's $3,980. So, if you multiply that times 4, that's $15,920 you spent on 4 machines to make $75,000 by December. Are you with me? Let's just say it was one machine. One machine, $3,980. 15 times 5 months, that's 75 coins. Let's say Ethereum Classic gets up to 250 times 250, that's $18,750. And you spent almost $4,000 on a machine. Do I have your attention again? Think of it as like buying real estate. Now, one thing I cannot predict exactly what Ethereum Classic is going to be worth in value in the future. But if you look at the past history, you can kind of project what the future results are going to be. All experts are stating that Ethereum is going to be bigger and faster than Bitcoin. They call Bitcoin MySpace and Ethereum Facebook. You guys see the difference? You're looking at Ethereum, or Bitcoin was at MySpace. Ethereum is at Facebook. That's the growth. It doesn't matter what business you're currently doing. It doesn't matter what industry you're doing. This is not network marketing. This is not MLM. This is investing in a technology that is growing, whether you understand it or not, whether you like it or not, whether you believe in it or not. I did a Facebook Live yesterday that stated that Americans are dangerously uninformed and behind on what's taking place. The rest of the world, especially Asia, is already all over this. I think it was Singapore just announced they have 150 Bitcoin ATM machines that's coming up in their country. 150. By the time Americans figure it out is when you walk out of your house and you start seeing ATM machines around your neighborhood. Or when if you're on a 9-to-5 job and your job tells you we're going to give you the option to pay you in Bitcoins. Or if you're with a network marketing company, and especially if they're international, they're going to say we're now paying all commissions through Bitcoin because it saves them money on fees, especially if you have to deal with other countries and the exchange rate. I mean, if somebody in Nigeria, and I've experienced it because I had a huge Nigerian organization, when they made $50, by the time they got their money, based on all the fees, they only made $5. So if we pay them in Bitcoin, they get their $50 instantaneous. What's the charge? Like 2 cents is the fee. This is what the world is going to. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care if you're in health and wellness company. I don't care if you are in technology business. None of that matters. This is what's happening. So there's 2 ways you can do this. You can go out there and buy cryptocurrencies yourself, hold on to them, which is not bad to do, and let the value go up, as Bitcoin right now is at, oh my gosh, $3,318 as I'm talking right now. That's the highest it's ever been. As I'm speaking. Ethereum is at 258 and rising. Right now, I'm personally mining for Ethereum and I'm mining Litecoin. And I will be mining next week Ethereum Classic. And I'm not pulling any of it out. I'm not pulling any of it out, to put in my bank account. Letting it sit there. Because 12 months from now, Litecoin at $47 today, it might be $150, $200, $300, $400 per coin. Ethereum might get to $1,000 per coin. Ethereum Classic might get to $400 to $500 per coin. But don't buy it, mine it. Let me give you those numbers again. One machine, $3,980. 13 to 15 coins a month. That's if it gets to 250, that's $8,000 worth in just 5 months. What if it jumps to 1,000? I like to play with. Let's go with Peter's analogy. He has 4 machines mining Ethereum Classic. 300 coins. But let me do that in math again. 15 times 4, 60 times 5. 300 coins by the end of the year. Let's say these coins it's worth $1,000 per coin, the way Bitcoin happened. Times 1,000. That's $300,000. How many of you would have loved to have Bitcoin and bought that 3 years ago? See, the very first time I mentioned Bitcoin on social media was August 1st, 2014. With my business partner in Japan. I had a Japanese organization in my network marketing company. She had her own restaurant called the Pink Cow. And her restaurant was the first in all of Tokyo and Japan to have a Bitcoin ATM machine. It made national news over there. Today, Bitcoin is legal currency in Japan. Russia, China, India, they're all following suit. What if I had 300 Bitcoin in 2014? Let's do the math. 300 times at right now's rate, it keeps going up, is now at 33.25 times 3,325. That's $997,000. That's almost $1 million had I had 300 Bitcoin in 2014. Now, the price of Bitcoin at that time was worth $500 per coin. So that meant 300 times 519 That was $155,000. That's now worth $997,000. Time is on your side. What is well, let me rephrase that. Time is not on your side if you don't have any cryptocurrency right now. If you do, time is on your side. If you have a mining machine that is mining these coins every single month, time is on your side. You mine and you hold. Now, the price of the machines right now, because Ethereum Classic is going to start next week, $3,980 per machine. My business partners, Andres Cartrude, David Begoya, Barry Elrod, Luciano, they're all in Vietnam right now. I just saw they had one of the gentlemen bought 26 machines in his first day and sold 40 more in 3 days. 26 machines he bought personally in one day. You do the math. 26 times 3,000. See, people understand that the money they have sitting in the bank is not making them any money. If you've got money, let your money work for you. Get yourself a mining machine and let it work for you passively. You don't have to do nothing else. The machine is not coming to your home. You're not programming it. It's at a mining farm. They're handling all that stuff. But they're in Vietnam, and let me tell you, over the last 7 weeks, Andres' group has done a little $1.2 million worth of volume of machines. My organization did over 70,000 in the last 7 weeks. 70,000. We're just getting started. Again, it doesn't matter what you're currently doing right now. Keep doing it. It's not interfering. But get yourself a couple of machines and grow. For those of you who say, I can't afford $3,980, that's okay. We do have another program that can get you started mining for at least $500. I would advise do whatever you can to at least get to $3,980, but you can work your way up. You can start at $500 if you need to. You're mining less. You can choose that. I have that program where I'm mining Litecoin. I have a machine that's mining Ethereum, and I'm going to have one that's going to be doing Ethereum Classic. So I hope this sheds some light on some things. If all this I said is still kind of, foreign to you, you still don't understand or get it, get educated. We have an education program that's only $39 a month. TeachMeCrypto.net. Do yourself a favor. You're not going to hurt me by saying no. You're not going to hurt me by bashing this. You're not going to hurt me by turning a blind eye to what's going on. You only hurt yourself in that instance. We're doing this. 12 months from now, we will not be in the same situation we are in today. Those of you who take action today will not be in the same situation 12 months from now. And I will say this, because a lot of my network marketing buddies that already make a lot of money, that are laser focused on what they're doing, and they see this stuff, they don't understand it and they bash it. Here's what I say to you. Partly you are absolutely correct. These network marketing companies that's coming up here and they're talking about cryptocurrency and whatnot are crap. They're Ponzi's, they're scams, they're selling securities, they're going to get shut down and people are going to go to jail. You are correct. There's 3 pillars to what I call in cryptocurrency that you can be involved in that is a safe zone, that you can make money and you don't have to recruit a single person. And you're not buying any coins. 1 is education. Get educated. TeachMeCrypto.net. That education is also going to teach you how to trade, as Adrian is doing. You can trade your coins by yourself, which means you're not allowing somebody else to do it for you, and you don't even know if they're actually trading or not. But you're doing it on your own. So education, trading, and the third aspect is which I'm heavily in, mining. because I don't have to do nothing. I let my money work for me. Mining for the coin. And hold it. Hold it for 12 months. Stack as much as you possibly can. One of my business partners, his name is Sean. 2 months ago, he didn't own any Ethereum. Today, hey guys, I don't remember what he said. How much is that he has now? 80 Ethereum coins or something? 200 or something coins? I forgot the amount. But he's got, I think it added up to, he's got over about $23,000 worth of Ethereum coins in 2 months. 2 months. He owns over 33 machines. 33 machines that he personally owns. Now, I want to say something about that. He's going to have half of them admiring Ethereum Classic. So I love doing the numbers. So let's say he's got 15 machines doing 15 coins a month each. That's 225 coins a month. Let's multiply that times 5. By the end of the year, by December, he would have 1,125 Ethereum Classic coins. At today's value, at $15, that's $16,875 worth. But 1,125, what if it gets to 250? Which it will eventually. It's just a matter of how long will it take to get there. Times 250, that is $281,000 worth of coins. He's still going to sit on it and hold it. What if that gets to what Bitcoin is right now? 1125 times 3,301 as of what I'm saying right now. That's 3.7 million. Sean already has money, by the way. He's already independently wealthy. Wealthy people understand something that the rest of us broke people don't know. Us broke people are like, that's a scam. He's like, give me 33 machines today. You understand the difference? That's why wealthy people get wealthy and broke people stay broke. But we have a chance where this is wealth generation. Every single one of us, regardless of where you are right now, has an opportunity to change where you're going to be 12 months from now. But the window is short. Personally, I missed the Ethereum window. I missed it. I missed it, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm still mining for it. But I missed it. I missed that 300, 400, 1,400% growth. But Ethereum Classic is right around the corner. That's about to do the same thing. I'm not going to miss that boat. The Ethereum Classic boat. And you have an opportunity to get in on it as well. So get back to me. You know, scrap up your money. And I will say this. Don't spend money you can't afford to lose. Don't mortgage your house. You know, 10 years from now, we might look back on this time and say, I wish I did mortgage my house. 10 years from now, we'll look back, but we don't know what the future's going to do. So only spend money that you can afford to lose. But this is the safest thing possible. You're buying a machine that is spitting out cryptocurrency every single day. Do you want to buy the golden egg or buy the golden goose? The machine is the goose. You go to Coinbase, whatever, and purchase some Bitcoin yourself, you're buying the egg. There's a difference. If you just came on now, once I close this out, you can go back to the beginning and listen from the beginning. As I close out, Bitcoin is at $3,300. Ethereum is at $253. Litecoin is at $47. What is Ethereum Classic at? Let me pull up that chart. $1,590. Ethereum Classic is at $1,590 right now. Can't wait to see what that's going to be by December. Awesome. I'm getting I can't share this. I'm getting messages from my business partners of what they're doing. They're blown away right now. Zcash. He's getting money from Zcash. I won't say his name, but he just got money from Zcash. All right, thank you guys for joining us. Have a great Saturday. Happy mining. Send me a message. Let's get you started this month. You don't want to wait. You know why? Because next month, ETC might shoot up to $20, $30. See you guys. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm doing a training tonight. Oh, yeah. Training tonight. 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. You better believe I'll be talking about this. But we're going to be leading off talking about education. Education and trading, and then I'll be going into mining. So if you want to see that tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific, bitcoinbrandon.info. bitcoinbrandon.info. See you all tonight. God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye.